In this video, you'll learn how to collaborate efficiently using Figma's commenting system, unleash your creativity with the masking tool, structure your designs with advanced text options, and master colors and fills for a consistent, accessible design. This is Tulsi from KnowHow Academy. So, ready to level up? Let's get started. Here is an interesting fact. Did you know that Figma is the first collaborative interface design tool that works entirely in your browser? This means no more versioning issues or platform restrictions. It's one of the reasons it's so loved by designers worldwide. Welcome back, creators. Today, we are diving deep into Figma's powerful features to take your design skills to the next level. From seamless collaboration to mastering text, colors, and masking, this video has everything you need. Let's jump right in. First up, Figma's commenting system, an essential tool for collaborative projects. Imagine you are designing a website mockup and your teammates suggest changing the button color. Instead of endless emails, click the comment icon in the toolbar. Select the button and type your feedback. Easy, right? Replying is just as simple. Let's say your teammate asks for clarification. You can respond directly to their comment, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Need Alex input? Tag them with @ symbol. For example, "Hey @Alex, could you review the new header design?" This notifies them instantly, and once you are done addressing feedback, resolve the comment to keep the file tidy. Next, let's get creative with masking. Think about designing a user profile card with a circular image. Instead of manually cropping, draw a circle, place the image above it, select both, and hit the mask tool, or press Ctrl plus Alt plus M. See, the image fits perfectly inside the circle. You can also use this for all sorts of designs, from dynamic layouts to creative banners. Experiment and see where it takes you. Now, on to working with text. Let's say you are designing a website header. Use the text tool, type "Welcome to our site" and style it with your preferred font, size, and weight. To guide users through your design, create a clear typography hierarchy. For example, use bold headings for titles, medium weight subheadings for sections, and regular body text for details. Adjust the line height and letter spacing. For instance, a blog post body text might need a line height of 1.5 for better readability. Align your text perfectly and choose resizing option like auto width for dynamic content or fixed size for buttons. Let's explore colors and fills. Add a vibrant gradient to your background to make it pop, or stick to solid colors for elements like button. Gradients can be linear, radial, or angular. Here's an example: a linear gradient transitioning from blue to purple for a modern touch. Save your brand colors as reusable styles. For instance, your primary brand color could be applied to buttons, icons, and headings. A single update changes them all effortlessly. Want to add an image to a car design? Drag your image into the shape, then adjust the crop and fit it to achieve the perfect composition. Before wrapping up, let's talk accessibility. Use Figma's contrast checker to ensure text is readable against your background. For instance, a light gray text on a white background might need darkening to meet accessibility standards. And there you have it. From collaboration to text, colors, and masking, these tools will help you create stunning designs effortlessly. Let us know in the comments how you'll use these features in your next project. Did you know Figma's name is derived from figment, as in figment of your imagination? It reflects the platform's goal to turn your creativity into reality seamlessly. You have learned how to use Figma's commenting system to collaborate seamlessly, create stunning visuals using masking, craft professional typography, and ensure consistent, accessible designs with colors and fills. These features are essential for any modern designer. See you in the next video. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your IT source. We are always there to help you navigate to the tech world. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you to stay curious and keep learning.